We are going to try on the Skin Analyzer app together. When you first open your app, you download and open the app, you're going to get a notice and consent from the app to do a image provided virtual try on of skincare analysis services, and it uses biometric data. So you're going to click on that and you're going to say, let's begin. Definitely want to have a clean face, your hair away from your face, evenly lit environment, as far as like you don't want to be in an area that's shadowy, and you want to keep your facial expressions pretty neutral. So then you're going to hit next. You're going to put in a few bits of data. All right, here we are. So you're going to want to turn this around. Okay, here are our results of our scan. The scan looks at your skin tone, your texture, your eye area, and it will look at your overall wrinkles. And for each one of these areas, you'll see that each scan, like uneven skin tone, it will show a tap here for results. When you do that, it is going to show you the actual image and where it looked at your skin tone. And then you can go back and let's look at the eye area. And you'll see the little pink ones underneath my eyes. That's where it's scanned for that. And then let's look at the one most of us are always concerned about. That's wrinkles. Woo, there they are. It found them. Now, it does not store your pictures. It will store your results in your regime. So what I recommend, if you would like to do a before and after type situation, is to grab a screenshot of your image, and then you can also tap more information about your analysis, and that is going to tell you, I love this part, this is also a fun one, it's going to talk about the influences that cause wrinkles, how to prevent them, and it's going to give you information about your products that it's recommending for you. I do use the facial peel, I do use pieces of the Miracle Set. I don't use the Serum C. I have used retinol in the past, love that product. And of the clinical solution boosters that it's recommending, which I would agree with all of those, I do use the HA plus ceramide, love the Daytime Defender, I use that one, I use the eye cream, pore minimizer, I can see me using that, and dynamic wrinkle limiter. Time for me to start using that product. So as a customer, if you're already like, I'm sold, you can click these into your cart. There you go. Now, another way to take a look at all of this is down here at the bottom of the screen, you have your summary. You can look at your regime. These are all the products it's recommending. That one was just in particular for fighting wrinkles. The one that we just looked at is targeted to wrinkles. This is all the products that it recommends. Could be in my regime. I love that. And then I can share my results. Give it a second to process. As a PDF, right there, you'll see mine pops up as a PDF. You can share them with your consultant. And I love that if you're sending your results to me or to your consultant. I love that because then your consultant can help you create a routine that works great for you. Go back to my summary. I also like to do things like, let's look at the texture. Tap for details. There's where it scans my texture. Isn't that a fun picture? Don't you love biometrics? And then I'm going to look at the analysis a little bit deeper. And it is recommending the charcoal mask, retinol set. I would love to get back into that. I think I would really like to have the HA ceramide the PHA AHA resurfacer and the dynamic wrinkle limiter. So this is something also that you could send to your consultant if you wanted to screenshot it. You can also click for more information how the system works. So there you go. This is how it's seeing your skin. All right. I hope that was helpful for you and that you enjoy using your skin analysis. And I do recommend before and after pictures. So if you end up, let's look at the wrinkle one. If you end up taking on some of the products that are recommended in this summary, you might go back and take an after picture in 4 to 6 weeks, 8 weeks, 12 weeks, and so on. So I love that. All right, I hope you enjoy your skin analysis.